Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo so I'm back again with indaba zala kwiBetway Premiership. Amathima amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhithi iyathenga na. So namhlanje nginiphathele indaba ezishisayo eziphume namhlanje kuma transfers ayenziwa la kwiBetway Premiership. Orlando Pirates isayine umgadli weTS Galaxy. Lo mjide lo bafethu ade wafika kwiTS Galaxy indlela adlala ngakhona ubeyideserve ngempela iteam enkulu ukuthi ifike izomsayina. Umjide uyikhombisile nokuba bafana le scheme lesade dlala kwiCOSAFA Cup. Umjida usesayine Orlando Pirates. Uzoba umgadli ovelele ngempela a good replacement yaMhawunkota bafethu. Let's hope uzofika lapha ayicement position yakhe uzobeke kodwa ebangisana nabadlali abakhona lapha onjengo Tsepong Moremi. So ubona nabadlali abanjengo Neo Mokoena abazopromote Orlando Pirates ngekudala nje. So ngimfisela okuhle lapha kwezimnyama engathi angafika azenzele igama lakhe azenzele udumo afike asize Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukuyiwina ileague. Ngangitshela ama comments ngabe lo mdlalo lo angakwazi ukuyisiza Orlando Pirates iwine ileague noma nje uyi squad player sohlala ebenchini. Ngangitshela ama comments. Kwezinye izindaba engizizwe namhlanje kuthiwa the former Skukuza United coach uLehlono CM has been shortlisted for the head coaching job at Siwelele FC. Siwelele FC so far asikabi nawo coach. Yabo iclub ke le bafethu ethenge istatus eSuperSport United. They need a new coach. Right now abakamtholi ucoach omusha uRulani Mkwena ngizwile kuthiwa bebemfuna but ke uRulani Mkwena wadinaya wonqaba lo msebenzi lo ukuthi ucoach Siwelele FC. Ngoba iphumile nje indaba kuthiwa uRulani Mkwena uyena coach omusha ozocoach iMC Alger. Hey Rulani Mkwena uyena coach omusha ozocoach iMC Alger. Manikhumbula kahle ke bafethu ucoach wecoach iTS Galaxy uSaid Ramovich wasuka kwiTS Galaxy wasula wayishiya phansi iTS Galaxy wahamba wajoina iYoung Africans. Na kuYoung Africans ahlala ngesikhathi esiningi because wahamba after ama group stages lapha eChampions League wahamba umjida wajoina iCR Belouizdad iclub yaseAlgeria lapho khona uRulani Mkwena ayocoacha khona. iMC Alger neCR Belouizdad mama rivals amakhulu ngempela. Mina ikhumbula ke ifight kaRulani Mkwena benoSaid Ramovich. Ubowazi uma kuzodlala iTS Galaxy neMamelodi Sundowns buzobuya igame ngempela because labo coach bawu2 bebengazwani. So irivalry yabo isazoqhubeka iqhubekele eAlgeria lapho khona isizoqhubeka kuma club amakhulu because Sundowns neTS Galaxy ama club amancane. Kwezinye izindaba engithole namhlanje bafethu midfielder Thuso Mleleki will return to iOrbit College njobe isingelile nje kwiBetway Premiership kodwa uzongena on loan. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje kuthiwa iEsperance have rejected the opening offer from iclub yaseRussia iDynamo Machatkala. Kuthiwa ayikho ioffer yesibili esafikile for Elias Mokwana but ke iEsperance imisela kakhulu ukuthi imdayise ngemali enkulu Elias Mokwana because umdlali obaluleke kakhulu for iEsperance. Asazi ke noma isazobuya in le club le ifike nemali ethe xaxa but ke iEsperance ifuna ukumdayisa uElias Mokwana umdlali ngempela ozobalethela imali eningi. Asazi kodwa ke maybe Kaizer Chiefs isengazama ukumthenga asazi phela Kaizer Chiefs yazi isengasurprise isengasinikeza nje elinye iboom but ke asazi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu iDurban City FC is on the verge of signing uBrooklyn umdlali lo bafethu wayedlalela iSuperSport United. City also finalized a deal yaThabang Sibanyoni who played for iMagesi last season. Yamkhumbula ke bafethu lo mdlali esengakhuluma ngayo oyistriker uThabang Sibanyoni obephuma le kweMamelodi Sundowns uzosayinwa right now iDurban City. Durban City futhi ifuna umdlali obedlala eswini uBrooklyn obedlala kwiSuperSport United. They are really trying to build the squad sabe siqinile. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iStellenbosch FC sesiconfirmile departure of 2023-2024 Diski Challenge winner uThulani Mine. The 23-year-old attacker has been training with his former club iChippa United. Umjida bafethu useshile kwiStelis simchithile. Asazi kuzowenzakalani right now but ke I feel like iChippa United will resign this young player. Una 23 years old bafethu umjida usane future eningi esamhlalela. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu eziphumile kuthiwa uDomingo noKids arrive in KZN set to join Durban City. The duo arrived in Durban yesterday and is set to join the Kaizer Chiefs, the KZN side after parting ways with the relegated Cape Town City. Manikhumbula kahle bafethu uDarren Kids was linked with the Skukuza United. It feels like that deal didn't go on but ke iDurban City ifuna abadlali abane experience. Naku ke sesiyithola indaba like uDarren Kids is linked with iDurban City and Hashim Domingo, another player oqhamuka kwiCape Town City, is linked with iDurban City bafethu. Ngingakasuki kwi-Cape Town City. iCape Town City namhlanje i-announce ucoach wayo omusha lo ozobasiza basuke le ezansi kwe-NFD babuyele kwi-Betway Premiership. I hope ke lo coach lo uzobasusa kulolu thuli abakulona bayithuntuthe le dust abanayo bakwazi ukuyiqoqa babuyele kwi-Betway Premiership because siyawadinga ama-team amakhulu njengo-Cape Town City akwazi ukuthi a-challenge ama-team la. Alungisa amaphutha awo ke yabo amaphutha nje abawenza kule season esiphuma kuyona engase bangawalungisa kwi-NFD babuye nje kwi-Betway Premiership isizini elandelayo sibe right. Kwezinye izindawo afethi iChippa United abadlali esibatholile so far sebethole uSemi Siyabi, uJustice Figueiredo, uKhaya Mfecane, Abdullahi S Mareko losuka ku-Orlando Pirates, Azola Tshobeni noGoodman Mosele. So i-Orlando Pirates ilone abadlali abawu-3 ilona abadlali abawu-3 kwiChippa United, uAzola Tshobeni, uGoodman Mosele, mase kuba uAbdullahi S Mareko. Ulo mdlali ke lo bafethu osathana kufika umjida uloniwe kwiChippa United yabo. Another player uloniwe Orlando Pirates engimbalile bafethu ulomjida lo uThuso Mleleki. Pirates uThuso Mleleki imlonele ku-Orbit College. So Orlando Pirates okwamanje nayo isa stream kancane squad. I don't think Orlando Pirates isiqedile uku-stream squad. Bakhona abadlali sisazobabona bayishiya Orlando Pirates, bakhona abadlali sisazobabona belonwa kwamanye ama-team, bakhona futhi sisozobabona bedayiswa. Uqalile uNkota bamdayisile naba laba bawu4 sebeloniwe obabalandelayo asazi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumela namhlanje kuthiwa iSikhukhune United sesi-rejectile i-offer biqhamuka e-Austria. Menikhumbula kahle ke I did a video regarding this player uvuyele club abafethu. Iclub yase-Austria kuthiwa iWayne ibemfuna impela lo mdlali bafethu uVuyole Club. uVuyole Club uyi-left back edlalela iSikhukhune United siphinde sidlalele iBafana Bafana. Lo mjida lo bafethu kuthiwa ama-rival ayo le club le kuthiwa iWayne bafuna ukumthenga lo mjida lo. So they are showing interest in signing this player. So iSikhukhune United sibonile iprice efunwa elethwe ile team le sabhana le price elethwe ama-rivals abo. Mhlambe ngenzeka ajoin ama-rivals aleya club yase-Austria asazi, but ke iSikhukhune United sidinga imali ke ekhulumayo kwiSikhukhune United. I don't think umdlali udayiswe iSikhukhune United ujwayele ukuphuma for free, ujwayele ukuphuma cheaply. iSikhukhune United saziwa njenge-team engafuni ukudedela abadlali kalula because they need imali. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumela namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa uStanley Nwabali uyafuneka le eMorocco. iRaja Casablanca iyamfuna uStanley Nwabali as their new number 1 goalkeeper. Menikhumbula kahle uStanley Nwabali was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, but ke right now Kaizer Chiefs it seems like ama-interest wabo awasekho uStanley Nwabali. They've opted to sign abanye goalkeeper and Kaizer Chiefs interested in signing lo goalkeeper weSikhukhune United. But ke uStanley Nwabali the number 1 goalkeeper eNigeria ifunwa iclub yase Morocco iRaja Casablanca. A bid will be sent to iChippa United. Personal terms and signing on fee with the goalkeeper aksiyoni a problem for iRaja Casablanca. We might see uStanley Nwabali moving away from PSL, playing on the North African. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumela namhlanje iSikhukhune United sesi-renewile i-multi-million rand playing kit sponsor. A 3-year deal confirmed after initial 1-year contract. Iclub iselecte imali eningi ngale deal le. Kuthiwa sebethenge imhlaba le eMidrand to build their top village. iSikhukhune United siyimisele ngempela bafethu. Umuntu oyi-ownayo iSikhukhune United uyalithanda ibhola, uya-understanda ibhola. Njoba beyokwakha nje i-village. Orlando Pirates ayinayo i-village. But iSikhukhune United sesithenge umhlaba le eMidrand. They want to build a village for iSikhukhune United. They understand ibhola labantu laba abaphethe iSikhukhune bafethu ngibafisela okuhle. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumela namhlanje kuthiwa PSL Awards, ama-nominees ama-PSL Awards azo-announce kusasa lapho khona sizobona khona abadlali kushiwo ukuthi okay umdlalo kanje ukwicategory kanje, umdlalo kanje kwikhategori kanje.